Hello, guys. Welcome to today's episode with Diva's Corner. And in today's episode, we are on day 4 of our smoothie challenge. How exciting! Wow, we made it to day 4. Awesome. I just wanted to check in here. How is it going so far? I mean, how is the detoxing going? Are you experiencing any changes in your body? Do you feel like you need to still push till day 7, or are you done? Don't give up, okay? So in today's episode, we're just doing the normal, showing you how I mix all the ingredients, that I've already mentioned in my Facebook page. I already given out all the recipes. So in this episode, we are just going to be, mixing up all the ingredients. So today I have with me, today is the, what's that called again? Green old grain. Yeah, green old grain smoothie. And we're using celery, pineapple. Remember I told you I bought a lot of frozen fruits and vegetables, so that way it's preserved. And then I have avocado. Can you imagine? I got avocado. I didn't know I could get this one. And when I saw it, I grabbed it. My God, I grabbed it. So this is avocado, frozen avocado. You can see it. And then I have my kale. Of course, almond milk from yesterday. The almighty lemon. I put in the recipe lime or lemon, so whichever works for you. I prefer lemon. Let's get business of the day. Okay, so I've already washed my celery, just using one strand from the bunch, and I'm gonna slice it like so it's easier to blend. Not that it makes any difference though, but so that I don't get all those chunkiness. I remember my other blender that I was using wasn't giving me that smoothness, even though I like it rough. I like to get a little bit of the smoothie, but that was too much of a chunk, so I decided to use something different. See the stem? I usually take it like very low from the bottom. This is what I'm throwing away. I mean, it's still medicinal, so why not use it up? Oh my goodness, I forgot my dates. Yeah, so I'm gonna grab my dates off camera and I'll be back to show you. Okay, so we're gonna put our 1 glass of milk, 1 cup of milk rather. That full to the brim. Then we'll take our half. Oh my God, my lemon is almost out. Like so, half. Remember, we're detoxing, and this lemon helps us to detox properly. Okay. Yeah, my kale. A little bit of. Oops. As much as okay. Wow, nice. So this is my pineapple. Maybe a few chunks is okay, not too much. Then, of course, my avocado. Wow, see how chunky it is. So nicely sliced. Yeah, so everything is in now, and we're gonna blend. I'll be back. I'm gonna grab my dates and put it in and blend. So remember, guys, I said I was gonna go grab my dates. and this is how much I grabbed. Yeah, don't forget I always put my spirulina. So this is spirulina powder. Where's my spoon here? 1 teaspoon of spirulina. 1 teaspoon of spirulina. There we go. And that's it, guys. So guys, I will be blending right now. Pardon the noise. If it's so noisy, I'm gonna turn off the volume later. Okay. Of course, you guys know I'm gonna taste it, right? The usual. So this is me tasting. Oh, cheers! I forgot. Heaven on earth. It's so delicious, guys. Why have you not done yours and tasted it? We should do this together. Cheers. I like the soury taste. Somehow it just blends in. Alright, I'll catch you tomorrow's video. Tomorrow is day 5. Today's hug is to Toyin. Toyin, thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching, thanks for participating. I mean, we love you, we appreciate all your support. Thank you so much. Please let me know where you are watching from, and do make sure you subscribe, like, share, and we'll be happy to meet again. Okay, scrap that. So thanks to you for watching, thanks for participating in this smoothie challenge. We love you, we appreciate you, all your support. Thank you so much. And for all the new subscribers, please make sure you share, like, and comment on this video. And for returning subscribers, we love you, and of course you already know that, right? Take care and have a nice one. Catch you tomorrow. Signing out. Remember, your food is your medicine. Don't forget that. Don't ever forget that. What you put in your mouth, it's your medicine. All right? Take care.